In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. Following that, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear between clipboard and color palette. Then tap on voice typing and click on this sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now you can finally click on visible microphone icon. And if you never used this option before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. When you are finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!